Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. This time in this video, I'd like to explain about coordinate connectors. Maksudnya, saya akan bahas tentang penggunaan kata-kata penghubung yang sering digunakan untuk menghubungkan dua klausa dalam kalimat di soal-soal tes TOEFL. Many sentences in English have more than one clause. A clause is a group of words containing a subject and a verb. Whenever you find a sentence on the TOEFL test with more than one clause, you need to make sure that every subject has a verb and every verb has a subject. When you have two clauses in an English sentence, you must connect the two clauses correctly. One way to connect two clauses is to use and, but, or, so, or yet between the clauses. To understand more about the use of coordinate connectors, look at these sentences. Caroline is singing and Donnie is playing piano. Caroline is tall, but Donnie is short. Caroline must do the best, or Donnie will take over the project. Caroline told a joke, so Donnie laughed. Caroline is tired, yet she keeps working. In each of these examples, there are two clauses that are correctly joined with a comma and a coordinate conjunction and, but, or, so, yet. This example shows how the sentence pattern could be tested in the structure section of the TOEFL test. A power failure occurred, comma, blank, 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 the lamps went out. Option A, then. Option B, so. Option C, later. Option D, next. In this example, you should notice quickly that there are two clauses. A power failure occurred and the lamps went out. This sentence needs a connector to join the two clauses. Then, later, and next are not connectors. So answers A, C, and D are incorrect. The best answer is answer B because so can connect two clauses. Let's practice. Look at the sentence. The missing wallet was found, comma, the cash and credit cards had been removed. Kalimat ini benar atau salah? Yes, you are right. This sentence is incorrect because there is no connector to connect the two clauses. The best connector for this sentence is but, which is placed after comma. Therefore, the correct sentence will be the missing wallet was found, comma, but the cash and the credit cards had been removed. For those who are still confused, let's analyze the sentence. The first clause is the missing wallet was found. The subject is the missing wallet and the verb is was found. The second clause is the cash and credit cards had been removed. The subject is the cash and credit cards and the verb is had been removed. This sentence needs a connector because there are two clauses and the best connector for this sentence is but, which is placed in the middle after the comma. Let's practice again. Look at the sentence. So the quality of the print was not good, comma, I changed the toner cartridge. This sentence is correct or incorrect? Yes, you are right. This sentence is incorrect. This sentence has connector so, but the position is incorrect. It should be placed in the middle after the comma. For those who still get confused, let me tell you the details. The first clause is the quality of the print was not good. The subject is the quality of the print and the verb is was. The second clause is I changed the toner cartridge. The subject is I and the verb is change. Seperti yang sudah dijelaskan di awal video ini, kalau ada dua klausa dalam satu kalimat, harus ada penghubung. Penghubung yang tepat untuk kalimat ini adalah so, tapi penempatannya harus di tengah, sehingga arti kalimat menjadi tepat. Kualitas printer tidak bagus, jadi saya mengganti toner cartridge atau sejenis serbuk halus yang biasanya digunakan dalam printer laser. The quality of the print was not good, comma, so I changed the toner cartridge. Okay, that's all about coordinate connectors. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.